They're really getting eyes. See if we can get some here. Snap doesn't have much, but Rush does. You can see them. And Brookie's really got eyes. And let's see. What about Spyro? Spyro doesn't have much yet. QB does. QB's got eyes. Nope, that's Blitz, I'm sorry. Blitz has eyes. And I know QB's got eyes. QB's got eyes. See the gleam in there. He's got eyes. I know. Come on, Spyro. Need to get out here by everybody else. Are you guys going to sleep now? Oh, man. Look at the eyes on Rush. Oh, look at you, Rush. And Blitz. Look at Blitz. Look at the blue in there, huh, Blitz? And Rush. Oh, look at the eyes. Are you guys sleeping? Oh, man. Except for Blitz. Spyro, you must turn around. Spyro. Are we gonna go trucking? There you go, Spyro. It's kind of warm for a puppy pile. Spyro's in the hole. Spyro's in the hole. Okay, you guys are boring.